Airbnb in Urunga. It's raining, but I'm sure we'll have a lovely time. It's what you make of it. Life is what you make of it, and if you make good of it, then good will happen to you. So, here's our little bubbers asleep in there, and meanwhile the car is extremely heavily packed. Just thought I'd take a moment as we've just checked in to the Airbnb to show you what it's, I don't know, we're not very good at this. It's our first time going to an Airbnb with a little infant. But this is, I don't know, what it looks like. So we're in Urunga. I can't remember the name of this Airbnb, but it looks nice. Little kitchenette. It's nice. Good little area here with a fridge. We'll put some bags down underneath the bed. This is all Cora stuff, her clothes and toys and things related to nappies and bum cleaning. TV, I think the goal at any Airbnb is not to really use the TV. It shouldn't be turned on, but we'll see. This is a lovely little area. As you can see, bassinet which has been set up. A nice little pool there, which would be nice to be able to use, but there is a little bit of rain at the moment, but that's okay. We can be cheery. Oh, someone's on the bed. There's my bag, and here's a little bathroom with me in the window. Yeah, there's a toilet. I know that everyone's probably interested in that. Little shower, which is good. But yeah, there we go. That's where we're staying. But yeah, hoping to go and check out Urunga. Let's go. Hello. Oh. So if you wondered where Urunga is, here it is. South of Coffs Harbour and Woolgoolga down there. North of Nambucca Heads, Scott's Head, Grassy Head, and where we'll be travelling from here, we're going to head in to Bellingen through Dorrigo, and we'll be camping somewhere around here. What a nice little map here, just on the food works. There we go. Okay, well, you ready for your walk? You ready for your walk, little Cora? Yeah, maybe. Whilst you guys go on your walk, I'm going to run around and see if I can find things. I don't know. Just see whatever there is. I haven't got nothing. Yeah, I'll go this way and then I'll turn left. Oh. You go right. So here's the golf course at the end of the little alleyway. Alright, I'll see if I see you guys and where I might see you and all that. We're going to take the bins out back at home. That'll be quite the distance. It's Sunday already. Alright, see yous. Let's see what we can see around the place. I don't know. It's always a good way to explore a new place. Just find it on your feet. Oh, I found this to be a bit of a landmark in Urunga. It's just a water tower. But an interesting looking one at least. But it's sitting on this panorama parade. Name of that little street here. It's just a residential street. Got a few good views from here. I spotted on the map that the Urunga wetland boardwalk was a thing. I thought, oh, it might not actually be a thing, quickly. Well, hopefully that suggests that it is a thing. Let's see. Hallelujah, it is a thing. Let's have a look. Urunga wetlands, special place, needs to be kept clean. Oh gee, so it used to be a processing plant until the mid-70s. A $10 million remediation effort to enable safe public access. Well, that's good to see. Oh good, I love a loop. Going to walk around it in a loop. So good. We are here. That's kind of where I thought we would be. So car park to my right means that I'm going to go to the left and do a little bit of a loop, maybe stop and see some things. Be a bit of an S channel there in the wetland. Old truck wash there, should be a little bit interesting, should be. What's this? That's a containment cell, the extents of it around here. Well, that's a little bit interesting. Okay, let's go ahead and have a look around the wetlands down here. Oh, look at that. That's a beautiful, pleasant surprise. Had to stop running a few times there to take a few shots, but yeah, it's really beautiful. They've done a wonderful job regenerating this place. So I can kind of look beautiful. Like this. Oh.
Lap pace 6 minutes 27 seconds per kilometer.
All right, 3 kilometres in. I'd best keep going. I think that might be enough for the wetlands. Let's see what else is in Urunga. This fine afternoon of 5 minutes to 5 p.m. Ooh. Looking at the map, this looked like a really nice hillside drive. You know, just kind of run around that way. So I could get up to the train station and cross and all that. Looked really beautiful, but yeah, oh well, that's okay. A few extra kilometres, a little bit of a detour. Yeah, so it looks like I've gone around the road closure. Yeah, looks like we've got an old bridge over the railway and we should be over by the coast, which would be nice. The train station's meant to be here, but I don't know if the train station is worth looking at. Here's the old bridge, old timber bridge. Has a limit of 7.5 tonnes. Okay. Looks like we can see the train station, but I got to be honest, it just looks like a shed. Nothing particularly interesting. I wasn't sure if it'd be a historic one. Yeah, let's go to the coast. All right, that's the Urunga and I, the big boardwalk, which I'm just in a park at the moment on the top of a hill. There's the beach, there's the ocean. I'm just in a little public reserve on top of a hill. I'm going to go around and go run along the, I don't know, could you call it famous? Maybe. It's kind of what Urunga's known for, is this long boardwalk which goes out over the over the beach and all that. So yeah, let's go have a look. There we go. So this will be the footbridge, Urunga Lagoon footbridge. It says no bikes on the boardwalk, but hopefully runners are okay. Just got to be respectful, I think. This footbridge has got this beautiful sort of soft, I don't know what you call it, material for where your feet go on. Really grippy stuff. Makes it really nice to go for a run on. It's beautiful. Oh, and the view's quite nice too. Oh. Geez, look at that bit of the footpath. Probably isn't open. Geez, I thought we were really stable on this thing. Maybe it's not as stable as I thought. I just noticed there's a ton of seabirds here. Have a look at these. Seabirds, birds. A lot of birds. After a big day of fishing, they're just relaxing. How about that? Rocks. I've just noticed, I think my run might have just finished, because I recognise these people. Have a look at these things. I don't know what they are. I'm guessing they're TV aerials. I'm not too sure. Well, that was a nice 6.5k run. Now, over here someone is asleep. So yeah, might just slow down. And we'll just walk to the end, which you've already been to.
Yeah.
So you'll be my guide as to what we're looking at. But yeah, so far it's been quite beautiful. Wait until I tell you where I've run to. It's been fun.
Someone got a fish. Your feet, Bubs. Oh no, you're getting cold.